Yeah, I think they're finally used to it at our place.
Wolverine cosplay. I'm Batman.
Thank you very much. You scared the crap out of me.
So this is where we stayed for the first night of our trip. The B Street House Inn. And boy, is it gorgeous. I'm going to try and get a shot from the owner of what the house used to look like before they gave it an overhaul. But, I mean, this thing was probably on the verge of being condemned. And now look at it. We're going to go ahead and head inside here. As you can see, the whole place has been done in like 1860s decor. Old chairs, hat rack, old desk. Look how narrow those stairs are. And the lighting. And then the living room is just gorgeous.
Trio. Yeah.
Give you a quick 360 here.
They're really good.
Yeah, they are. And they're all in, well, Nashville, yeah.
Yeah.
Linda Ronstadt has Parkinson's, and she's in San Francisco.
We brought my
And you
daughter.
can sit up,
Yeah, we brought my daughter to Nashville.
Got the old school wallpaper
and you saw them all.
and the fantastic chandelier.
Crystal Gale was in the Opry that night, and yeah, it was a great night.
How nice, and Dolly was there too?
No, but we went down to Dollywood. We went down to Sevierville and Pigeon Forge, and we spent a week down there as well.
I've never been to Nashville, I gotta go.
Oh,
I wanna see the Grand Ole Opera, that's what I wanted
You
to
see,
do.
it's different. There's an Opry.
They did a brand new one.
They've taken it and they moved it out of town.
Oh, they
So it's
have.
out on the Cumberland River now. It's not in Nashville.
And what happened to the Raymond building?
Yeah, so the Ryman is still there and it's
Okay.
still operational as a theatre. And you can do tours of it, and they do have concerts in it every so often.
Are you doing video?
I am.
So shut up.
Nope, you guys can just carry on.
Sure.
Yep.
Do take a headshot of the guy with the crossed leg. That's Edward Piper,
And that's
who
who?
built this house.
Oh, cool.
One of the Piper brothers.
The guy on the left?
Guy on the right.
Or the guy on the right?
Yeah. And he got in trouble because when the mines go in Bonanza and the opposite is Baraska. And so he got a job down at the Mint. And he started sloughing off some of the gold and the silver into Father Atherton's potato patch. And he got busted and he had to serve time in the jail.
Nice.
Because they had golden potatoes.
So this is Andrea, your host, if you stay here. Tell us a little
With
bit about
no
yourself real
makeup
quick.
on, but I'm
Oh,
happy.
don't worry about it.
Okay, just make me look skinny.
Oh, that shouldn't be too hard.
Yeah, yeah.
And tell us your name, sir.
Richard.
And can you tell us about your experience here at this house?
It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It's great. Andrea is just a fabulous host and we love it here.
Yeah,
He's from Ireland.
Yes, I think it's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
What you guys have done with this place is just jaw-dropping.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping that folks that watch this video are going to be like, wow, that is really cool. I want to go there.
That's good.
Well, anyway, this is the B Street Inn
Yes.
hotel.
Yes. And in the hallway, we have a nice photo of the second Piper's Opera House, which burned. We're on the third
Oh,
one
that's
down
what
the
that old
street.
building is out there?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the second one. And you see John Piper there on the steps. And they were from Fischerhütte, Germany, which is Fox's paw. And they were brilliant opera people, you know. They understood it all. He was mayor for a while, and he had some of the brothels. But, you know, he brought Puccini over to do Madama Butterfly, you know. I mean, they were really
Doesn't get better
wonderful
than that.
people.
Yeah, it's oh yeah, and the Opera House is basically right next door too. So
Yes.
that's also a nice plus.
It is a nice place, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
well thank you everybody for watching, and thank you guys for your contributions to the video, and I hope everybody has a great day.
You too.
Okay, so what's the name of this room? This is the
The blue room.
blue room.
Yes.
And ShanChan was insistent that I film this room. I was just going to film the room that we're staying in, but
Well, I want
the
you to
whole-
film the other room too.
The whole house is like period, and it's really cute. It's got 3 rooms.
Well, there's more rooms downstairs.
Are there?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't see them.
It's just
Yeah.
their rooms.
Full bathroom, shower.
But it's all blue.
The vanity is super cute, and the mirror. Look at that mirror.
The mirror is gorgeous. But it's all themed, like with blue. It's adorable. Like the bedspread matches the plates on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
So cute. And unfortunately it's dark, so you can't see the view. I don't think it'll come up on the camera, but
Oh, it does. It
it
does,
does.
sort of.
Yeah, the view is gorgeous. Our room's
This
in
is
the
on
back.
B Street, so we're higher up the hill than C Street is.
Yeah, so you can see farther.
Yeah.
And this will be the morning will come in through this window.
Mm-hmm.
And then like the picture up there, the glass pitcher and the plates and all the old pictures that are on the wall. It's just, oh, and the doilies and the furniture. Oh, it's so, ooh. Okay, we can go out of this room.
Okay. Well, while we're shooting, you might as well tour the other 2 rooms
Yeah.
too.
And
The hinges on the door here.
the hinges. Oh my gosh! Look at the hinges on the door.
Look at that.
They all seem to have them.
Where's the there? There we go.
The attention to detail in here is very, very impressive.
This is Uncle Henry's room. That's the name of this room. And look at the wallpaper. I like the wallpaper in here. It's cute. The kind of rose-colored wallpaper. And I love how it's got the more solid with the stripes on top. The solid flower print with the stripes. Oh. And the old
And each room has its
pictures.
own thermostat, which is really, really nice.
Yes.
And each room has its own full bathroom, which is also really, really nice. So there's no sharing bathrooms or
Where's the-
anything.
There we go. This one's not color themed, but still.
I saw
cute.
pictures of this house before
I mean, look at the
the
sink.
current owners
It's
got it. and
adorable.
what they have done in here is just amazing.
Yeah, can you put the picture of the before on this video?
That was on the Facebook page, and I don't have it, but I might be able to grab
Yeah, we
it.
might grab it. I mean, I love the.
I'm sure that
the roof tile and
the current owner has a copy of that photo.
and
And I'm sure that, you know,
Go.
since we're basically promoting her business here,
Yeah.
she'd be more than happy to to give it to us.
yeah, and then this
Because this is probably
It's-
going to be its own video.
beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this hand carved probably. I mean, it's gorgeous. That is so awesome. I love it.
These rooms are adorable.
Little hooks in the back, and oh my gosh. And then the plates, just like the other room, matching plates with the colors. Oh, and look at this little lamp. Oh, and there's designs on the. Look at. Can you see the designs? Are you able to see that? The etching on the glass.
There we go. Pretty awesome.
It even has a blanket.
We're gonna have to film the outside of the house tomorrow.
And you see it's got a skylight. This is the only window. Oh, and this old bed frame. And then again, matching picture. And another plate. That looks like gold trimmed on that one. Oh my gosh. All right, and then we're gonna go into our room. Get the hallway though while we're going. Oh my goodness. Like it's got the gold and everything and the pictures. Oh, the little doilies. And then these are like in every room. There's little, it's just like the attic space, but not, it's not the attic.
Storage.
Yeah, but every single room has this, which is just clever for space, you know? And the plates, all matching. It's got that gold and tan colored in the plates. Oh, whoever decorated,
Yeah, look at this.
whoever decorated this house.
Yeah, a
It's-
lot of care has gone into this house.
Yeah.
Tender, loving care.
Oh, look at these. It's funny, it's an oil lamp, but they made it electrical.
Yeah.
My mom used to have oil lamps that looked like that. And then look at this old period fridge.
And there's water and Gatorade in there.
Yeah, that's period too. It's from the 1800s. And a little statue. And see again, another storage area. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, Grandma used to have one of these. I think she still does. It's behind the couch at Grandma's house. Theirs is a little bit bigger. Oh, look at these old pictures. I love the frame on this one. That frame is gorgeous. What's this? Oh, that's the school. Another beautiful frame. And Mark Twain. Okay, and now this is V&T Railroad room. So, and we'll have to close the door so you can see the
Yeah, this is
beautiful
where we're
mirror
staying.
behind. Do you need a flashlight to
No,
see it better?
I can see it.
You can see it?
Yeah, that just makes it blue.
Oh,
Just
sorry. Oh, and another one. There you go. It's another oil lamp that they made electrical. That is so clever. I kind of wish we would have kept Mom's and did that. I think they might have broke though in one of the moves. No. Ooh. That mirror. Look at that. Bad. Is that one better? That it's just so ornate. I love it.
yeah, this is pretty incredible.
This is incredible. Look at this. Oh. This is cute. This almost looks like a... Oh. This reminds me of something Mom had at one point. Just the handles. Oh. Nope. Oh, it's big. Okay. Oh. Socks? Somebody left some socks. They were in the back and they must have forgotten. Is there a Bible? Oh! Bible.
I was going to make a
Hotels don't
joke
do that.
about finding the comm sock load in the drawer.
A lot of hotels don't have Bibles anymore. It's nice that they have one here. Oh, extra blankets. Ooh, nice blanket. It's pretty. And these chairs. I love these chairs. The ones in the blue room I like better, but they're just so cute. Because it's got nicer fabric on that one, but Oh, Grandma has one of these in the main, like the living area that they don't use, you know? Right next to that one, they have one of these. So cute. And cute lamp. And what's this? cash book, V&T Railroad. Is that an actual one or a reprint?
That looks real to me.
That looks real. So it looks like some of the one of the
Stop putting the
papers.
flashlight on it.
Sorry, I was looking at it. I was trying to read it. That's actually one of the looks like one of the papers from the railroad. So I'm guessing that this room is the railroad room. That's
Good
the
job,
theme.
honey.
I know I'm brilliant, ain't I? I'm so smart.
Look at these little end tables.
Mm-hmm. Oh, somebody left something else in this one. A little Velcro strap. Uh-oh, this lamp's sliding off. That's not good. Oh, and the doily slipped. There, I fixed it.
Oh yeah, probably better check out our bathroom, which is pretty awesome.
Another railroad thing. Oh,
The light.
yeah. Which side? This side. There we go. Yay! Ooh, I got
I
that.
mean, look at the garbage can. I mean, that thing's just cool looking.
Oh, yeah. I didn't see that.
Cute little end table here.
I like the sink.
Yeah, look at the sink.
The sink is pretty. That's nice. I kind of want this for our sake. Yeah, this place is clean. It was in the sink, you know, things come up through the pipes. This place is spotless, though. There is no dirt anywhere.
Yeah.
This place, I mean, there's no dust, nothing. They take good care, so don't worry about the bug.
Okay, well, you want to go downstairs since we're already shooting?
Well, that's a lot darker because it's nighttime. We might want to do
Okay,
that.
we're going to film that in the morning then? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut the film for now then.
Yeah, you can't even see the...
Okay, so there's the bed frame.
Yep, we forgot to show the bed frame, which is really nice.
Yeah, probably the coolest bed frame in the house.
Oh, yeah, it's the nicest one for sure. Oh, did you get that little corner shelf? That's hand carved too.
Yeah, I got that. I didn't
That's
get it in
awesome.
detail though.
Oh, yeah, there's detail on it. Oh, you can't see out our window at all.
That's pretty cool looking.
But in the morning or during the day, man, this view is going to be gorgeous. We'll have to film it later.
Yep. And like I said, we got to film the whole outside of the house too.
Yep.
So, got our work
Awesome.
cut out for us in the morning.
Yep.
So we didn't get a chance to film this last night, but this is the view from our window at the B Street Inn. Sure is a pretty piece of property.